Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Love. Just making a quick little video to show you how to create a folder on your computer. So you're looking at my desktop on my computer here, and everyone's looks a little different, but when you're on the desktop, the easiest way to make a folder is to find an empty space and use your right side of your mouse button and click that right side of your mouse. Um, then you'll see this menu. You're going to go to New, and then you're going to go to Folder. And see how this new folder just opened up and the words are highlighted blue? That's because I can now create any name that I want. So for this one, I'm going to make a math folder. Okay, you might have already done this, but this is just an example. So now I have a folder on my computer for my math class, and anything I need to save for math, I can put into that folder. Um, Let's say you get a worksheet or a study guide or a practice page and you want to save it. Now you can save it in your folder. So how do you save something into a folder? Well, I have an example here already started. This is just a pretend um, document that I created. When you have the thing open that you want to save, you're just going to go up to the word File. You're going to click Save. And now it's going to ask, where do you want to save it? These are all suggested places that the computer is asking you if you want to save your file there. But what I would like you to do is go to where it says Browse, or you have this little open file folder. When you click that, it's going to bring up a list of all the folders you already have on your computer. Okay, so the one that we just made is located on our desktop. So I'm going to click on the word desktop. See, and now it's showing me all the folders that I have on my desktop. I'm going to select math, and you can double click that or you can highlight it and click open. And now it's going to ask you to name the document that you're trying to save. And I'm just going to leave that as our name. And then I'm going to click save. Now, if you look up at the top of the page, it tells you the name of the document you have. And then it says saved to this PC. So that tells you that you have already saved it on your computer. Now, if I close it, and I say, oh, I want to find that page that Mrs. O gave us in class today. Here's what I can do. I can double click on my math folder right here, and it's going to show me everything that I have in that folder. And then I can look for the item that I want. Okay, that is how you create folders and save things to your folders.